idiosyncratic, the Gaffer, Prophet Pastor Java. I'm excited. I'm right here at my warehouse, just working some transactions. 2025 is going to be a very beautiful year. I want to talk to everybody here who is in Zimbabwe. Kuti kune wanu warikuita zvinhu zvimwe chete over the years and years and years. This is my small wisdom I want to give to you. Understand this thing. When Java came into play, ndakaita tumari, ndakaona kuti ndirire nini ndoita sei. Ndakanokobora munairira kudarika ese mukoma genius. Ndaiziva kuti mukuru kwandiri. Pandaiziva ndakamukobora, whether I respond or not respond, everyone's attention will come on me. But that wasn't where I wanted to be. It was a stepping stone. Tova ndaenda kumageto YouTube and anoti munhu wese anengaimba so Passion Java pa song this. And I know my radios, Passion Java please this. And I know my newspapers, Passion Java please this. Pandaenda kuma social bloggers, social media bloggers, Passion Java this. Pandaita noise everywhere. Then ndiri pakurira udaro. Then I saw an opportunity of COVID. Vandagadzira garamba. I used over 300,000. Pamagaramba vape pamarima artist ubadara ZTN kuita say. Then it gave me another level. Then ndo bandachizoya pa ground from America. Chivomba kwangu imbangwe bazasa. Bandauya straight. Vandaungana pa airport. Anana Madam Boss, Anana Maititi, Anana Ningi, Anana Levels, Anana every influencer is coming to meet Java, Papo, Badara police. Uyai, Vanda it's from a blue lights, Uya, Vandeta noise. Nango no from Mama Street Moan, Majono Pina Moan. Java, Nango Unganirwa. But then there was not influence and then you power and then rather who convert into real power. Topandakazi nononoka kuna baba wedu vamnangako kukukukukuku ekandini Java yakandindorira kandindodai. But first time andakaona President God had given me a prophetic word. Ndasvikana pa prophetic word. Second vanena na Mike Chimombe, my guy, and AAG Anastasia, Honorable Anastasia, vatashika kuya President Vods and Java anoita noise pa social media chichichi. I was happy to receive me. Then dopandachi tanga kufamba neruns power. Maragan po assignment yekuti tsigira mkuru wenyika on his election, and I did that. Energy ndapa nzvimbo yekuti I've made millions, not through politics, and ndinakana dollar andakaona from politics or from Zimbabwe as Zimbabwe, andakana sendi kana tse usazova nyebero. But I made my money, I made my millions. Ndikutwala mari chayo chayo nemvuri. And now I'm settled up. Doesn't make sense, you know. I've just because it's Passion Java. I've just to make a sense that time already passed. But the most important thing is to preach the gospel. But it's a just one. This is what I'm focusing on, and I'm helping souls, I'm helping lives, I'm changing lives. That's my number one focus. But Mariapo, I'm now an established person. So this message is to encourage. Pananta ma comedy, panana nuita ma drama, kuneva nuanoimba and stuff. Everything you do should put you somewhere higher in life. You can't keep doing the same thing. Anariki rose bakaimba no pezra start ma business, ma companies, ana TI anajeza waneta ma billionaire guti jiga he. No. They made a plan. Music has to be a stepping stone. Chances pakati, this one pakati, then the skapa power pakati, then I make this amount of money, then I become a billionaire. You can't see Jay-Z associated this now. No, that time passed. So as we are walking into 2025, takuza muno west aneza arikuita Zimbabwe kati mali adido. kana ukati ngatifambe kwatifamba kuzuita sei ko muhomwe makachoboka chichi whatever we are doing it has to be a stepping stone kwenda somewhere kanosvika pamwe be somewhere and my life is sweet. I'm getting my jet out of America for the first time. Ndakananga ku Italy, and then I'm gonna go to France, and then I'm gonna enjoy a week there ndichitanga gorangu zvakanaka. My life is settled and ndiziva kuti nsimba dzandanadzo dzangani muAmerica alone. My buildings I don't know iko ndikutenga building re 29 million ku California. I'm established and na pressure without ngenge. So everyone was watching me kana uri Zimbabwe, even ukanzi uri blog or chi, make that a stepping stone to get to somewhere. Naizo kuti God bless you and may God bless Zimbabwe and Mwari ngaramba achita zvizhinji mukutonga kwenguva ya President ED Mnangagwa. Mwari ngawape makore akawanda, Zimbabwe ngarambe ichisumukira sekusumuka kwatinoita kana Mwari achitiropafadza. God bless you.